I'm here with Dan from Acme Exteriors, and today we're going to dive into roofs. So Dan, could you tell me when a client has some streaking or discoloration on their roof, what typically causes that?
Yeah, that dark streaking on your roof is typically algae. And that's often found in areas where there's shade or moisture. Now the algae can grow in lots of areas, and the other thing is that a lot of times there's moss and lichen that can grow as well.
Okay, and then how can you fix that? I mean, once you've got the moss and algae in your roof,
Yep.
What's the next step?
Yep. So it's important to make sure that your roof is in good condition. But if your roof is in good condition, shingles look good, then you can often have somebody come out and actually do a wash of your roof and clean that algae off the roof.
Now, I've heard that you have to be careful when power washing your roof. Is that true?
Absolutely. You do not want to power wash your roof.
Okay.
These companies will come in and they'll do just a spray or a soft wash on the roof, which uses a chemical component to kill and wash that off. If you use power washing, you could damage your shingles, and that's a big problem.
Okay. And then earlier you mentioned if the roof is in good condition. So how long are you seeing roofs last right now?
A good quality roof should last you around 30 years.
Okay. And then last question for you is, how do you prevent the moss and algae from growing on your shingles?
Yeah. So making sure that you keep your roof clean of debris, clean your gutters, cut back trees and shrubs from your roof, allow it to open up and breathe. And then also, when it's time to replace your roof, talk to your contractor about getting an algae-resistant shingle. Most modern shingles will actually have the algae resistance in the granule.
That's amazing. Thank you so much, Dan.
Thanks, Isabel.